linear differential equation. So what is meant by linear differential equation? Let us see here. So any differential equation of the form dy by dx, any differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y, you can write as p into y is equals to q. Here p and q can be this p and q. You can write here p of x into y is equals to q of x, because clearly you can show that p of x can be a constant also. So any differential equation of this form, is called as a linear differential equation. Okay, समझ में आया? Simple, dy by dx plus p of x into y. Suppose if you are taking into consider dy by dx plus some sin x into y is equals to cos x dx. So this is linear differential equation. This form of the linear equation is called as a linear differential equations. Okay, समझ में आया? So इसका solution, and how do we find out the solution of this linear differential equation? Proof, with the proof I am going to explain to you now. So just let us take multiply the some g of x on both sides. G of x both sides multiply करना. So what do you get here? G of x into dy by dx plus p of x into y into g of x is equals to g of x into q of x. Q of x लिख सकते हैं, q also you can write. Now here you have to choose the g of x in such a way that this right hand side becomes the derivative of y into g of x. Derivative of it. So I will tell you why do we choose that. G of x, any g of x we have to multiply. Why do we choose like that means I will explain to you so that easily you can. You have to choose this left hand side will be as it is, p of x, and right hand side should be equals to the derivative of y into g of x. ऐसा choose कर. So that means I am writing here g of x into dy by dx plus p of x into y into g of x is equals to dy by dx of this part, y into g of x. Derivative कर लो right hand side में. So what do you get here? UV method you have to apply here. G of x into dy by dx plus y into g dash of x. Isn't it? So now here, if you observe that here, this one both are same. These two will get cancelled. So what do you get here? P of x into y into g of x is equals to y into g dash of x. So now from this what you get, p is equals to what you get, p of x is equals to what you get, p of x is equals to a y, and y also will get cancelled. समझ में आया? So then after we are going to get g dash of x by g of x. So now you integrate this one. Integration of p of x dx is equals to integration of g dash of x by g of x dx. So integration of p of x dx is equals to log of g of x plus some constant you are going to get. Okay, integration of the g of x. So here you can avoid the constant here integration whenever you are taking. And from this, what do you get? G of x is equals to, because we need to choose the g of x. हम लोगों को g of x find out करना है. So constant also you are going to get. So the g of x is equals to what you get? ये लागत हम अप्लाई करने integration of e power p of x dx. So the g of x, if you multiply g of x, if you are taking as a e power integration of p of x dx, so इस place में e power integration of p of x dx ले लो, so that the solution why we are multiplying with this g of x and why we are taking that, you will come to know the solution. You are easily you are going to get e power integration of p of x dx dy by dx, okay, plus p of x into y into e power integration of p of x dx you can write and p dx you can write is equals to g of x rho. G of x can be written as e power integration of p of x dx q of x. This is if you observe that what you get here. D by dx of y into e power integration of p of x dx. Can you write this one? Is equals to e power integration of p of x dx into q of x. Actually, proof is not necessary, but I am explaining to you which is useful. How do we get that proof? You need to know that. But the method of solving the problem is very simple. By seeing this, you don't get complicated here. Now, if you integrate on both sides here. Integrate on both sides. So, what do you get? Integration of d by dx of y into e power integration of p of x dx is equals to integration of e power dx plus constant. Okay. Now here what you get? Integration and differentiation. So y into e power integration of p of x dx is equals to integration of q of x into e power integration of p of x dx plus c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation, because we are eliminated dy by dx from that. dy by dx को eliminate कर लिया है, integration कर लिया है, and in this part is called integrating factor. What do we call? It is called as integrating factor. So now here, this is a method of proof for the why do we take the solution like this. So the solution can be written as y into integrating factor is equals to q of x into that integrating factor plus c. So dx. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? e into integration of p of x dx is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integration of p of x dx. ये p of x dx को integrate करना है, and whatever you get that should be replaced here. That is a general solution of the given differential equations. First thing what to do? Differential equation देने के बाद what is p of x, what is q of x identify करना है, and you have to find out integration of p of x. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p of x फाइंड आउट करना है, e पावर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ p of x क्या है फाइंड आउट करना है, and you have to write the solution as a y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q of x whatever it is given and integrating factor, and once again इसको इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ता है. So this is a step by step procedure. क्या है? First identify the p of x and q of x. Yes, proof will not be asked to you, but why do we get this as a solution? I have explained to you. Okay, so now let us go for the exercise problems, the problems which are given to you, so that how do we take it. But you keep in your mind that what is steps kya hai isme. First, how do we find out the solution of the linear differential equation? Means first you need to find out the what is p of x, what is q of x. p of x kya hai, q of x kya hai, identify karna hai. And integrating factor find out करना है. That integrating factor should be multi. Solution is this one. This is common everywhere. Solution is like this. So one problem, if you are solving, then easily you can understand that. How do we find out the solution of the differential equation? So what procedure, what method we have applied here to find out the solution for the linear differential equation? Same method also you can apply, but the problem becomes very lengthy. So directly you can take the solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integration of the q of x into integrating factor plus c is the solution. So first problem, let us take it to consider exercise 9.6. All the models are similar models only. Again you need to know the integration only at last. So given differential equation is given forms may be different. dy by dx is equals to dy by dx plus 2 into y is equals to sin x. Sometimes the questions may be given to you dx by dy. So that problems are deleted from your syllabus. Syllabus se delete kar diya hai. So don't worry about that. Only dy by dx problems only you need to take into consider. Here what is p of x? P of x is equals to kya hai? 2 constant. And q of x is equals to kya hai? Sin x. dy by dx p of x into y, y का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है वो p of x and q of x. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड करना है. So integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p of x dx. So e power integration of 2 dx, e power integration of 2 dx which is equals to e power 2x. Okay, समझ में आया? Now here solution.
Yes, sir.
Solution is y into, always y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q of x into again integrating factor plus c, sorry, dx. This is a solution. So integrating factor क्या है? Y is equal y into e power 2x. Integration q of x क्या है? q of x is sin x into integrating factor क्या है? e power 2x dx plus c. Now this integration you need to find out. Integration of e power 2x into sin x. What method you need to apply? By parts. By parts apply करना है. So this already I told you one formula is there, or you can find out also. ये separately find out कर लो इसको. Let I is equals to integration of e power 2x into sin x dx. इसको because इधर ही करके जाता तो प्रॉब्लम लेंथ हो जाएगा. I कंसीडर कर लो. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स अप्लाई करना है. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स अप्लाई करते समय I L A T E exponential is last. So you take sin x into e power 2x dx. ये f of x है dx. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स तो पता है ना. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स. इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स में क्या करना है? फर्स्ट f of x into integration of g of x. f of x is sin x. Integration of g of x minus integration of d by dx of f of x into integration of this one. This is the by parts. So इसको simplify कर लो. ये 2e power 2x sin x minus integration of this is you are going to get cos x and again 2 here I am writing e power 2x dx. इसको भी by parts apply करना है. So actually you are having a one method directly you can take into consider here. So this completely integration I will tell you at last. 2 e power 2x sin x minus 2 into again by parts. Again by parts में क्या करना है? Cos x into integration of e power 2x dx minus integration of d by dx of cos x into integration of e power 2x dx into dx. So which is equals to 2 into e power 2x sin x minus 2 into 2 e power 2x cos x minus brackets I am keeping it as it is minus आएगा. So d by dx of cos x is sin x हो जाएगा. So integration of e power 2x 2 e power 2x sin x dx. So this is again I. This model already we have learned it. It is not necessary to me to explain again. But once again it is a revision हो जाएगा. So that's why I am telling you 2 e power 2x sin x minus 4 e power 2x cos x plus minus 4 into this is 2 to multiply 4 into I over 4 into I, isn't it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
But we are doing one. I am doing one wrong here. Sorry. First say 2 multiply कर रहा हूँ. Integration whenever you are doing integration of
Yes, yes.
dx is equals to e power 2x by 2 लेना है.
हाँ.
इधर by 2 आ जाएगा. इधर भी 1 by 2 आ जाएगा. Sorry. So इधर भी by 2 आ जाएगा. So here we are going to get 1 by 2 and here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So we will get here 1 by 4, here 1 by 2, sorry, and minus ये 1/4 I को राइट साइड लेके आया. So what do you get here? I plus I by 4 is equals to डिनोमिनेटर को कॉमन 4 ले लो, e पावर 2x by 4. So 2 आ जाएगा, 2 sin x minus cos x. So this is 5/4 I is equals to e power 2x by 4 into 2 sin x minus cos x. So 4 will cancel. So I is equals to e power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x. So this you can replace here. So y is equals to e power 2x is equals to integration value. This is equals to e power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the solution. And this actually I told you. This one we are going to integration of e power bx dx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into. Whenever you are taking into consider a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. This is also one formula you can derive also in the same way in the one way I have derived it. So this will be useful to you in your JEE एग्जाम्स में डायरेक्टली यूज करना है. ये इतना लंबा करते जाते तो देन ऑटोमेटिकली इट टेक्स अ मोर टाइम, ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो ये सेम वे इन द व्हाट वे वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट इन द सेम वे बाय टेकिंग a and b, you try this problem, then you are going to get this one. And e power ax sin bx है, e power ax cos bx also will be there. How do we get the solution? ये दोनों को सॉल्व करके एक बार रख दिया तो आपका दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. So it is useful to you in your future also. So this is the way. See here, integration only more. The method is very simple here. So every problem is going to have the one different way, unique method. So इसमें different problems let us take into consider, and that problems we are going to solve it. Suppose just I will explain to you one by one what is integrating factor. उधर तक मैं explain करके छोड़ देता हूँ mostly. Third problem if you take into consider. समझ में आया ना ये?
Yes, sir.
So all the methods if you know clearly, then it is easy for you to understand. Third problem देखो, dy by dx is equals to dy by dx plus y by x is equals to x square. इसमें p of x क्या है? 1 by x. q of x क्या है? x square. Integrating factor is what here? E power integration of p of x dx. So e power integration of 1 by x dx is equals to e power log x. So x is the integrating factor. So y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor plus c dx. So the answer is yx is equals to x cube, x 4 by 4 plus c. Simple problem this is. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, isn't it? समझ में आया? xy is equals to x power 4 by. In case if you are having a trigonometric, fourth problem में trigonometry दे दिया है, secant x into y. So integration of उधर p of x is equals to secant x हो जाएगा. Integration of okay. So fourth problem, if you want fourth problem, I will explain. So like that, all the problems will be similar only, but except the some problems. So fourth one, what is given here? dy by dx plus secant x into y. Bracket is not given in your textbook. Is equals to tan x दे दिया. So p of x is equals to क्या है? Secant x. And q of x is equals to क्या है? Tan x. So integrating factor is equals to e power integration of p of x dx. So e power integration of secant x dx. What is the integration of secant x dx? Integration of secant x dx. Log secant x plus tan x. E power log sec x plus tan x. So logarithm e power log f of x is nothing but you are going to get f of x only. So this if you are using, you are going to get secant x plus tan x is the integrating factor. Therefore, the solution is y into integrating factor. I am writing directly, but you need to write here y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. So that you have to write here integration q of x is what? Secant x plus tan x into again tan x dx plus c. इसको इंटीग्रेशन करना है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ secant x dx plus tan square x dx plus c. tan square x का इंटीग्रेशन नहीं है, secant x tan x का इंटीग्रेशन है. So what do you write here? Integration of secant x tan x dx plus integration of this can be written as secant square x minus 1 into this. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, this integrations है. लास्ट में सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. secant square x का इंटीग्रेशन tan x है, secant x tan x का इंटीग्रेशन secant x है. So the final answer you are going to get it as a secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. This is the final solution. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So fourth problem is simple. In the fifth problem, definite integral is given to you. Wait. Fifth problem, cos square x is given to you. Fifth problem, it is not given direct form. Fifth problem, whenever you are taking, so it is not given direct form. Direct form in SBI. उसको change करना है. So what you have to change here? It is given to you cos square x dy by dx plus y is equals to tan x. So ये cos square x से divide कर दो पूरा. So you can write dy by dx by secant square xy is equals to secant square x into tan x. Isn't it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So in this, what you have to do here? A secant square x is equals to tan. So e power tan x will become the integrating factor. तो this इनको simplify कर लिया तो secant square x into secant x tan x. Secant x into secant. Excuse me. So ऐसा डायरेक्ट फॉर्म में नहीं देगा. So integrating factor is equals to e power integration of secant square x dx. Excuse me. So this also you can solve it. It's not very difficult to you. So different problems. Let us choose it in this exercise. Integrations only, methods are same only, in that different methods you are not having. Ninth problem देखो. Ninth problem थोड़ा सा you may feel different है, but it is also very simple only. You can do it. It's not a difficult. Ninth one. Just hint I will give it to you for the 9th and 10th problems. You may feel that direct form में नहीं है, linear differential equation form में. So direct form में नहीं है, but you can make them into differential equations. Then after the solution is similar model in all the problems. So 9th problem, if you are taking into consider, the question is given to you x dy by dx, okay, plus y minus x plus xy cot x is equals to 0 is given. We have to write this dy by dx is equals to p of x into y is equals to q of x. So now here ये dy by dx का ये पूरा x से डिवाइड करना है. So dy by dx plus y by x minus 1 plus y cot x is equals to 0. Okay, so what do you get here? Dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equals to 1 minus y cot x. But here again you are having the y when you see that. This is a main thing that you need to change it. In the what way you can change it? Y is appearing to you when you are taking into consider. यही है बहुत ज्यादा लोग गलत करते हैं ऐसा करके. Sir, yes, है 1 by x into y. So don't here itself you don't change it. Wherever you are having y, all the y terms you take into together. इधर y है, इधर y है. Y वाला terms पूरा together है. That whatever you are having, that should be taken into consider as a. So whenever it is given to you, so dy by dx. dy by dx ये दोनों में से y कॉमन है. What you get 1 by x plus cot x is equals to 1. Right side 1 देखो, isn't it? Now you see here dy by dx p of x into y is equals to q of x. Okay, so p of x is equals to 1 by x plus cot x and q of x is equals to can be a constant. ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग यही गलत करते हैं एंड उसके बाद क्या करना है समझ में नहीं आते. So what you need to do, y wherever you are finding all the y terms should be make it together, so that then after you can put. Now integrating factor is equals to what? Integration of e power of p of x dx is equals to integration of e power of 1 by x plus cot x e power log x plus cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? log sin x. So log sin x. So here you are getting e power log x sin x. So which is equals to x sin x is the integrating factor. Now here the solution is y into integrating factor. So that is x sin x is equals to integration of x sin x into 1 dx plus c. x sin x का इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स मेथड यूज करो, उसको सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करो. समझ में आया? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Here most of the students will do the commit the mistake. Now if you take the problem also is the same thing. Then the problem में क्या दिया है? x plus y into dy by dx is given. x plus y into dy by dx is equals to 1. So from this dy by dx is equals to 1 by x plus y आता है. So how do we convert this into that form required form? ये problem cannot be taken into the dy by dx. This is actually dx by dy is equals to x plus y. So dx by dx. So this model problem is deleted from your syllabus. But what the method you need to do? Same way dx by dy. So format क्या है? उधर dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x now. So dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y. dx by dy whenever you are taking. That model is deleted. So 10th problem is not there in your syllabus, but you can solve it like this. Same solution क्या होगा? x into integrating factor is equals to integration of integrating factor into q of y plus dy plus c. dy होगा. So everything will be variable interchange हो जाएगा. So ये problem actually syllabus से नहीं है. So be careful that this problem is deleted from your syllabus. Okay. Even 11th problem also dx by dy होगा. So that is also you no need to do it. Wherever dx by dy model problems are there. So 11th, 12th problem is deleted from your syllabus, and 13th problem dy by dx particular solution find out करने के बाद x is equals to pi by 3 y equal to 0 substitute कर लो. then you are going to get the required solution. Particular solution you are going to get. 13th problem. Okay. And 14 also easy only. Problem looks like a very lengthy, but it is not difficult. So I think you can complete the remaining problems here. 16th and 17th problems, whenever you see that these problems are little bit different problems. So let us see the question. What is the question given to you? See, okay. 15th also you can do it. It's not a very difficult to do. dy by dx equal to p of x into y. X क्या है? P of x 3 cot x. 3 cot x should be taken as a P of x. So cot x का integration क्या है? Log sin x. So 3 numerator में जाएगा, तो you are going to get it as a integrating factor sin cube x. No, minus sin cube, minus 1 by sin cube x you are going to get. So problem can be solved. It's not difficult to you, I think so. So let us move to the 16th and 17th problems. These two problems you may feel different, but it is simple. 16th problem. So question is given to you. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. Equation of the curve passing through the origin. Equation form करके मैं छोड़ देता हूँ. तब तक मैं explain करूँ. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. Given the slope of the tangent of the curve at x comma y. Slope of the tangent of the curve x comma y is what? dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the points. It is equals to the sum of the coordinates of the points, which is equals to x plus y. So हो गया. This is dy by dx equal to p of x into y. Y को इधर लेके आओ. dy by dx minus y is equals to x. Problem दिखता है थोड़ा सा complicated, but it is not a complicated problem. Okay, solution easily you can find out now. 17th one, find the equation of the curve passing through the point is given to you. Passing through the point means particular solution. Given the sum of the coordinates of the any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point by the phi. So slope exceeds the, what is given here? Sum of the coordinates. So 17th problem mein what is here? Slope exceeds, slope is dy by dx at a particular point. It exceeds the sum of the coordinates. So this is the differential equation. And finding of the, you need to find out the particular solution. And C eliminate karna hai by substituting the pointer x equal to 0, y equal to 2. That's all. Okay. अनुराग समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is a linear differential equations. Okay.